Hello, this is Ramin with RaminDigital on YouTube and RaminDigital.com. I have a new corporate business intro template, business template number 120. This is a very unique project that we did. We were able to focus the entire text and graphics into a cropped window screen, which is something new that we haven't done before. And the result is pretty nice. This is a fully editable project with all of the graphics, all of the motions, and all the effects and events are already included in the package. All you need to do is just replace the placeholders for text, or replace the placeholders for images with your photo or video, and you're ready to render at 1080 to 2K and 4K. This template has 20 placeholders for images, either again photo or video. Again, very easy to edit. Each segment is this project is segmented, and each segment has its own text layers as well as the placeholders. To replace the text, like when you scroll through the timeline, company profile, that's the title of this part over here. You can change it to your message, change the font, change the size, color, placement, location of it, wherever you wanted to put it, and you're done with that one. Then there's also additional text for the company description, which should be on the bottom. You can make it as elaborate as you want, and also a text for your company name on the top that would show throughout the project. To replace the placeholders, like in this case, we use numbered images, so at any given time you know where you are on the timeline. In this segment, at 14 seconds, these are the placeholders 3 and 4, which you can replace them either with video or photo. So the best way to replace the placeholders with your media is not to delete them, not to delete the placeholders from the project, because there may be some effects or some motion keyframes on the project, which if you delete them, they will get deleted as well. Then you have to recreate the template again. So in this case, you want to replace placeholder 4 with your image. Just go into your project media tab, select image 4, and then right click and say replace. Navigate where your files or videos or clips are that are already pre-mated or not pre-mated, and click on replace. This will automatically replaces it into the timeline, and all the effects are going to get applied to it as well. Same thing with number 3. You replace number 3, find your image that you want, select it, say OK. You go further down, you want to replace these 2 images or any of the other images. Every segment has a text text segment in it. You can make it, you can mute it, or you can just play it. You can do color correction, whatever needs you have in your template. I hope you like this project, and it will be available on our website, and thank you for watching.